it's recording. I'm sure this thing is gonna die by the time I'm done recording, but long story short, what's going on is, I'm sure you can see, we're trying to get this air dryer filter out of here, and I'm having a hard time. So I think what I'm gonna do here is bolt it back up here and use a filter wrench strap. Use a filter wrench strap on it to spin this thing off. And as you can see, it's oily. I mean, this thing hasn't been replaced in a few years. That's for sure. What the hell is that? I just got something in my eye. Should be wearing my goggles here. Protect the eyewear. I'm not sure if I even recorded anything earlier, if there's any footage. Long story short, I'm replacing my air dryer cartridge. As you can see, this thing got like sand in here. It looks like from antifreeze. Kind of crazy, really. I'm glad I'm replacing it. I'm gonna clean this out and look good, and I'm gonna maybe turn on my truck. Maybe even put some WD-40 in here to clear out or something. I don't know. But yeah, that's what we're doing. As you can see, this old one, it's quite a bit heavy too. Heavier than the other one. That's for sure. Alright, let's keep at it. Figured I'd tag you along for some assembly content. I know this truck's idling next to me. I might as well show you as well. I don't know how many gaskets we even had. Oh, there's only two. So we had two, and now we're putting on two. Got some assembly grease. Use oil. Get some grease. Grease up your gasket. This one goes in here. And the other one goes on the outside, obviously. So it's not dry. That'll do it. And then all you do is just thread on your or whatever you would call it, your cartridge. Got a little bit of started there. Grab your cartridge and just thread it on. Put your bolts on. Housing's gonna look clean, but it's not. Just wanna make sure you spray some, because it's black, so it's hard to see all the oil and grime. That's good. Do it. Throw this on. Throw your bolt on. Start assembling back up. And that's it. Catch you in the truck. Man, I'm tired. It's hot. It's like not that hot, but it's humid. And my face is all filthy. Hopefully I can go shower. That was some work. But yeah, we're just gonna hopefully go shower and then probably go sleep. There's no loads, but shout out to Mexicans, man. 2 Mexican guys came up to me. One of them didn't speak English, so he had to use a translator. and he was asking me if I need help or anything, and I'm like, man, that's so awesome. The fact that he came up and asked for help, that's where it's at. That's rare these days. And then another one came and he was asking me about it and whatnot. Cool dude. But yeah, that thing was due for replacement. We're gonna kick it here and catch y'all on the next one, probably tomorrow, most likely. Later.